Yellow, orange, red, green.
There you go.
Today we were celebrating the end of our color unit. For 3 weeks we've been learning about all the primary colors, the secondary colors. We've been learning how to make colors from the primary colors.
Red, bluebird, cheese, blue, purple, pink.
Been learning about how to read our color words, and today was just kind of to wrap up and celebrate all the colors in the rainbow. So we sang songs, we made special hats, we did some tie-dyeing, and it was just a really exciting day for the kids and for the parents too. They decorated their headbands with their favorite colors and got to carry signs of their favorite color or favorite book that we read that had to do with those colors. So it's been a special day.
I'm holding my sign up.
And they got to come back in and hear the kids sing a couple songs. So it was really nice to have the parents be able to come back close to the beginning of the school year.
Brown, gray, white, black.